Hey friends! Welcome to your English learning journey. Today, we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Don't worry, I will explain everything in very simple words with easy examples, so you can understand it easily. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are things we can count. They can be one or many. They have singular and plural forms. Examples: 1 apple, 2 apples. 1 book, 3 books. 1 car, 5 cars. We can use numbers with countable nouns. I have 2 pens. She bought 3 oranges. We can also use I have a cat. And I saw an elephant. Many, there are many students. Few, I have a few friends. Countable nouns equals we can count them. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. They do not have a plural form. We cannot use numbers directly with them. Examples: water, milk, sugar, rice, money, advice. We cannot say, I have 2 waters. I need 3 sugars. Instead, we use words like some, I need some water. Much, she has much money. A little, can I have a little sugar? Uncountable nouns equals we cannot count them. Nouns that can be both countable and uncountable. Some nouns can be both countable and uncountable, depending on the meaning. Examples: chicken. I bought a chicken. 1 whole chicken equals countable. I need some chicken. Chicken meat equals uncountable. Hair. She found a hair on her shirt. 1 strand equals countable. She has long hair. All hair together equals uncountable. Mid-video reminder: if you are enjoying this lesson and finding it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps me bring more easy English lessons for you. Quick practice. Now, let's do a small exercise. Can you guess which ones are countable and which ones are uncountable? Bread, uncountable. Chair, countable. Rice, uncountable. Book, countable. Money, uncountable. Check your answers. Bread, uncountable. Chair, countable. Rice, uncountable. Book, countable. Money, uncountable. Common mistakes. I have 2 waters, I have 2 bottles of water. She gave me an advice, she gave me some advice. Remember, using them correctly makes your English more natural and fluent. Summary: countable nouns, we can count them: 1, 2, many. Use a and few, many. Uncountable nouns, we cannot count them. Use some, much, a little. Some nouns can be both, depending on the meaning. Try it yourself. Write 5 countable and 5 uncountable nouns in the comments. I will check them for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell to learn more easy English lessons every day. You are doing great. Keep learning. See you in the next video.